This is my filtration model that I built. It's basically a plywood stand that I drilled together with a PVC pipe fitted into the sand. It contains 3 layers. The first layer is 20% of coarse aggregate, which comes up to about there, and then there's another 20% of fine aggregate, which comes up to there, and then there's 60% of fine Sydney sand that comes up to there. The first step is to pour 500 milliliters of dirty water using a measuring cup into the pipe. As you can see, that's 500 milliliters of dirty water. The top layer, which is the fine sand, will separate the majority of the impurities from the water. The middle layer, fine aggregate, is basically a backup that catches some impurities that have passed through the sand. And the last layer, coarse aggregate, stops the sand from falling through the holes down the bottom. The second step is to wait patiently while the water is being purified. This will take about 2 minutes. The final step is to examine the water that has passed through the model and to compare the water that has been cleaned to the same type of dirty water that I poured in earlier. As you can see, the filter has collected the majority of the impurities. In this experiment, I noticed a loss of water due to the sand in the filter. Approximately 100 milliliters were lost. The water has definitely been cleaned from its original state.